square prism. So this is the basic problem. Read the problem. Draw the perspective projection of a square prism of base side 30 mm and height 50 mm when it rests on its base of ground plane with one of its vertical faces parallel to and 20 mm behind the fixed plane. The station point is 45 mm in front of the fixed plane and 60 mm above ground plane. The observer is 40 mm left of the axis. Draw the perspective projection in the square prism. So first we need to write the what is that? Given data. Given data. First we need to find out the what shape of the solid. So in the question answer, draw the perspective projection of the square prism of base side 10 mm. So it is clearly given square prism. So we identify type of the shape is square prism. Square prism. Then square prism, the square base side is 10 mm. Base side. Base side 30 mm. And side of the height is 50 mm. Square prism height is 50 mm. Height 50 mm. How it is resting? When it is rest on the base on the ground plane. Ground plane, it is resting on the ground plane. Then with one of its vertical faces parallel to and 20 mm behind the fixed plane. It is resting on the behind the fixed plane 20 mm. Behind the fixed plane 20 mm. Behind fixed plane denotes PP. 20 mm. Next one is station point, where observer is standing. The station point is 40 mm in front of the fixed plane. Station point. Station point means eye contact. So station point in front of the fixed plane. Eye in front of fixed plane. 45 mm. 45 mm. And 60 mm ground plane. This is called ground plane. Above the ground plane, 60 mm. Above the ground plane. Above the ground plane. 60 mm. Observer where standing. The observer is 40 mm Fixed plane denotes PP. Central plane denotes CP. Then station point. Station point. Then ground plane in front of fixed plane. So these are the important points. So first we can draw. Always in this perspective projection, first we have to draw a fixed plane. First draw a fixed plane. This is called fixed plane. Fixed plane denotes AB. Then where it is resting? Behind the fixed plane 20 mm. Then from the fixed plane, you have to keep 20 mm. Behind the fixed plane 20 mm. Base side is 30 mm. That means square base side is 30 mm. We know that in one side 30 mm means all four sides 30 mm. You can draw. Draw a square. So distance is behind the fixed plane 20 mm. Then square base side is 30 mm. So you can give a name. You can add 20 mm. So totally 125 mm. These are the important points. So I can tell you later. From the fixed plane, you will draw the what's that? The central plane we will draw. Before that, we need to find out observer where is standing. The left of the axis 40 mm. So we know that the central point is, what is that? Axis. Then how we can find out central point? If you draw the diagonal point, you can get the axis point. So in the square, so we need no need to draw a diagonal line. If it is from me, we need to draw a diagonal line. So here, for your point of view, I drawn. This is the axis point. From the axis point 40 mm, observer is standing from here to here 40 mm. mm. In front of its own plane, 45 mm. Above the road plane, 60 mm. 60 mm. The square person height is 50 mm. So you got to project a line from the top of the square. So thin line you can draw. You can always use the 2H pencil. Thin line. For your understanding only, I am drawing this line. Always keep a scale like this. You can mark a point. For your understanding only, I am drawing that line. So thin line you got to draw. So you know that always answer only dark. So now you can draw the height of the prism. This is 50 mm. Height of the prism is 50 mm. Height of the prism 50 mm. So we usually all the data already used. So next we are going to get the answer. So this is the 50 mm. Then write the names. We know that top basis alphabet, bottom basis 1, 2, 3, 4. Those in the bracket we cannot see. So here receiving points are A, B, C, D invisible. That's why I enter into bracket. Then now we have to going to get the answer. How we are going to count? So this is the point. This is called. These are the points. Station points. This is yes dash. This is yes. So we have to connect all the points. So totally 4 points. 28 points. So 4 connecting points. I point. So we can notify S or E. So, for your reference, I am writing. So here A and 1, 2 points are there. A and 1. Then here B and 2. Then this one C and 3. No need to write this. For your reference only, I am writing. Then here G and 4. So you want to draw your figure. This is bottom. Now I connect one by one. A, B, C, D. Sequence number we can connect. This one is A. A and 1. You see? A and 1. A and 1. So here A and 1. So here also pocket A is there. So this point is called A, right capital A. Then this one is 1. Then B and 2 we can connect. So B here is going, then 2 here. So draw a rectangle line. These are the conceptual line only. You want to use 2H pencil only. For other HP pencil. 2 B. Capital A, capital A. Then C. C is going. C. B. This one is C, capital C. Capital C. Next, 4. B and 4. B. And 4. Here, A and B is there. So now we can connect A. 1, 2, 3, 4 we have connect. Then A, B, C, D. So before that, we need to find out the hidden line. What are the lines we cannot see? So that is we have to identify. How you will identify? How you will identify? So these are pointers. From here, let's see. When you see A, B, D visible. A, B, D visible. Then B to C we cannot see. That is invisible. C to D. That also invisible. Right? When you see from here, A be visible. Then A be visible. Visible. Visible line. A be visible. Then A to D visible. A to D visible. Same thing. 1 and 2 visible. And 1 and 2 visible. Then 1 and 4 visible. 1 and E